In this module, we are going to talk about role of technological advancement. If you could see this slide that in 1500 sailing ships have the speed that was 16 kilometer per hour, and in the middle of the 19th century, that was 1850, if you could see the speed of trains that was going on 100 kilometers per hour, steamships were having 25 kilometer per hour. There were in 1500 it was 16 kilometers per hour for sailing ships. Now in 1850 there are steamships and having more speed, 25 kilometers per hour, along with trains which are going on 100 kilometers per hour. So it means that how this speed was increasing. And in 1950, that was the middle of 20th century, you can imagine the aeroplanes were there now, along with trains, ship engines, and steam engines. And now here are aeroplanes which are added and used to go at 480 to 640 kilometers per hour. And in 1970, there are jet planes which are going at 800 to 1120 kilometers per hour. In 1990, telecommunications sources tells us that almost very fast speed, I would say that speed is really compressing the space and time and creating that process of globalization. Changes in communication and transportation systems has altered the ways in which economies operate and cultures interact in the contemporary globalized world. Shrinking of time and space that I earlier mentioned. Concept of global village. Sharing of informed 24 hours a day due to internet technology. Marketing of products all around the world. eBay is another source for international trade. You can order online all the products whatever you want. So it has become very easier owing to all this communication age. Telephones, weather, television, and military is dependent on satellites. Tourism and business activities are increased due to less costly air travel. Global efficiency and competitiveness has been increased due to road infrastructure and land transportation. Better cargo handling with modern technology, as previously mentioned regarding containerization. Those containers have all the trade products in different parts of the world, and containers go with a specific size and dimensions and directions, and they are used by the traders for importing and exporting their goods and services. Advances in finances and communication, reduced costs and time of transnational transactions, regional and global integration has increased incentives for technological development. So, this technological advancement is compressing the space and time and making the economic activity faster as compared to the previous ages. Technology has become an integral and indispensable part of development. However, developing countries still lag behind as compared to the western part of the world. Technology has taken the roles of human labor and hence it attributes to joblessness, alienation of workers, increased capitalism, environmental degradation. When there is only one agenda behind the capitalist system, that is profit maximization. They don't consider morality, ethics, and rights of the uh, salaried people, I mean employees. So it happens. But this technological advancement has benefited more to the capitalist class.